Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my affordable winter skincare routine. This video is also in collaboration with Mario Badescu. Big thanks to Mario Badescu for gifting me these amazing products to share with you guys. I have been so in love with several of these products that I thought today I would answer one of my most asked questions: how do I winterize my skin? So if you want to see how I pull my skin from winter frigid back to smooth chill, just keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm bringing you this video in collaboration with Mario Badescu because so many of you have been telling me that your skin is so dry. What do? You reach to your friends at Mario Badescu and they have your skincare needs covered. First, I'm actually going to grab me a water bottle full of warm water, or if you're using a sink, perfect. I'm going to next grab my Botanical Exfoliating Scrub by Mario Badescu. This is going to allow me to invigorate and refreshen my skin. This scrub features finely ground Eucadarian ivory palm seeds, which really allows you to exfoliate the skin. It definitely is ideal for all skin types. And what I really love about this mask or the scrub, it allows me to remove all the dead skin cells from the surface of my skin, which are going to allow the rest of my skincare application to be very, very beneficial. These seeds are very, very finely ground, which means it's not going to tug and it's not going to tear the skin, but it really does allow you to remove the dead skin cells. So just using that in a circular motion with wet skin, it's really going to give you a beautiful, beautiful polish. Of course, with all scrubs, you need to rinse it off, grab your towel to remove any excess water. So therefore, the next step is going to work even better. Can you tell that I've already done step one though? I'm liking it. Next, I'm going to reach to my mask. This is a step that a lot of people I see are missing right now, but grabbing my flour and tonic scrub, this is going to give me a gentle purifying of the skin. Now, this mask is very, very wet, so a little bit goes a long way, and it is going to absorb oil and shine. It's infused with antioxidants and rich with gardenia extract. Best of all, again, it's great for combination oily and sensitive skin, and I've heard a lot of people mention my skin is very, very sensitive, and I also experiencing that type of thought when I'm trying new products. But can I tell you that nothing in this line irritated my skin, so I definitely am excited to be bringing this to you. You definitely want to let this mask set on the skin for about 20 minutes, and trust me, you will know when the 20 minutes is up because it's going to start to feel very, very tight. Now I want to ask you, what do you do in that 20 minutes? Do you cook? Do you jump in the shower? Do you do your hair? I mean, just curious. But you'll see that I'm moving my face around, and it's definitely time to rinse it off. And I wanted to show you right after you rinse this mask off, it is going to leave a hydrating feel, but you definitely want to grab a towel to remove the excess from the skin, but you will definitely be able to tell that you've hydrated the skin, and that's just with step two. Moving it off the skin, taking it out of the hairline, because you know the hairline doesn't need to have the mask, and just you're really going to feel that it's very, very hydrated. But I'm going to go into my rose hip oil. This is a nourishing oil that's antioxidant packed. It's a lightweight yet moisture intensive oil. It revives and smooths dehydrated skin, which is going to answer most of your prayers as well. I've heard so many people say that this time of the year they don't use an oil, but I absolutely love this process. I oftentimes will replace my moisturizer and use this oil before I apply foundation, and it really, really keeps my skin very, very even keel. But I'm noticing right about now that you guys did not tell me that I have this mask still in my hairline. But I thought we were friends. No? Was I thinking too far in advance? No, you guys should tell me these things. So I'm definitely going to remove that mask out of my hairline and go into protecting my skin. Next, I'm grabbing my Herbal Hydrating Serum. This is a lightweight oil-free gel that hydrates and softens skin. It gives skin a healthy, dewy glow. Again, ideal for combination, oily or sensitive skin. I'm absolutely obsessed with serums. If you guys didn't know, it really does allow me to feel like I have locked in the moisture to my skin, and it definitely is what you want for this time of the year, going from indoor to outdoor, from cold to hot or hot to cold. It does keep your skin nice and balanced, and you'll see that it is safe around the eye area. And lastly, you're going to seal all of that in by grabbing your Buttermilk Moisturizer, again by Mario Badescu. This is an infused cream with lactic acid. It delivers silky smooth hydration, rejuvenates skin to encourage a natural glow, and really isn't that all a girl and guy would want, is a natural, dewy, glowy look, but not too oily. Definitely is all I'm looking for in skincare, and I think using my Mario Badescu line, I have checked off every part of my skincare needs. I'm definitely going to tell you to repeat this in any area of the skin that you have not. And of course, I just wanted to show you my Mario Badescu Rose Infused Spray. I absolutely love that spray. Great to start my makeup routine. And there you have my Mario Badescu affordable skincare routine. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Give it 2 thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media to never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.